Imagine having instant visibility into your sales performance, where you can track key metrics in real time, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions that drive business growth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a comprehensive sales dashboard in Excel from scratch, using the latest features and formulas. To start, let's define what a sales dashboard in Excel should include. It's not just a collection of charts and graphs. It's a strategic tool that provides insights, identifies areas for improvement, and helps you make informed decisions. A typical sales dashboard should have the following components: sales performance metrics, pipeline metrics, customer metrics, and key performance indicators, KPIs. First, let's set up the foundation of our dashboard. Open a new Excel spreadsheet and create a header row with the following column names: date, sales region, salesperson, product, sales amount, and status. We'll use these columns to track our sales data. Next, let's create a pivot